Let's get right into replacing this outdated door handle. Replacing these is one of the easiest things you can do to upgrade your home. It's inexpensive, and all you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. We're going to start by taking out the screws, which are typically on one side of the door. Once we finish pulling these out, you can see that they're kind of long screws. Once we finish pulling those out, the door handles should just pull apart and separate just like this. Now all we have to do is unscrew the latch plate. This spindle is stuck in the middle, so we will have to pull that out. Yours may come out with the door handle, or it may come off like that. Either way, it should pull out. Remove the latch plate, and that's what your door will look like. We are replacing it with a matte black door handle. The latches, or the long handles, are a little bit of an upgrade from the doorknobs. There's the new latch plate. There's the new strike plate to match the matte black finish. And there's both the handles with the long spindle there in the middle. So let's start by replacing the latch plate. Once we've done that, there's two holes on either side that do have to line up with the latch inside. And until you go to put the other handle on, or the other spindle through that hole, as you see there, it will line up perfectly with the outer two holes as well as the hole for the spindle. And if you've done it correctly, the handles will be level and the trim plates will be completely flush to the door. And now it's just a matter of replacing the screws similarly to how we took them out. I don't recommend using power tools for this because you could very easily over tighten it and crack something, and it's just easy enough to use with the hand screwdriver. Remove the strike plate that matched the previous brass and replace it with the matte black one. And that's it, folks. It is super simple to do, as you can see here. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I look forward to being a continuous resource for you here. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns. Have a great day.